Ninth sum. Damu fixes a square tile of 30 meter on the floor. The tile has a sector design and it's shown in the figure. Find the area of the sector. Here the square tile of 30 centimeter is there. Okay. So here it's given that the tile's length is 30 centimeter. So here also 30 centimeter. Okay. And here the sector is there. So you want to find the sector of the area of this sector. We want to find here. Okay. So we can do that. Find the area of the sector. We have the formula for area of the sector is equal to A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. Okay. So I want to take that formula. Here r is given. R equal to 30 centimeter. The formula A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi is given in your book itself that in the problem 3.14 into r is 30 into 30. What about the theta here? That theta is nothing but we know that in the square it is 90 degree. So we can have this as 90 degree. So we can cancel here and here 4 times. Okay, and then here 2 times, that is 15. Again I can cancel this as 15. So we have A equal to 3.14 into 15 into 15. So A equal to, you want to just multiply everything there so that we can have the answer as why this is in centimeter. So put in centimeter square. So the area of this sector is 706.5 centimeter square. Okay. 10th problem. A circle is formed with 8 equal granite stones as shown in the figure, each of radius 56 centimeter and whose central angle is 45 degree. Find the area of each of the granite stones. How many granite stones are there? 8. What is the central angle? 45 degree. And how much the radius? 56 centimeter. Let us write what are the data given in the problem. Okay. So here it is given. How many equal parts are there? 8. What is the radius given? 56 centimeter. And what is the central angle given? 45 degree. Here we want to find area of each of the granite stones. Okay. So that area. Here we want to find the area. Isn't it? So how many equal parts are there? 8. So we told already it must be divided by 8 with the area. What's the formula for area? Finding the area of the pi r square. So here r is given. So we have to substitute everything there. 1 by 8 into that value of pi is given already in your book itself there. Isn't it? That is 22 by 7 into r is 56 into 56 there. So we can cancel that 7 times. Can cancel this and this, and then we have to multiply this 22 into 56. So A equal to 22 into 56 is 2. This is centimeter. So I can write this as 1232 centimeter square. Okay. Hope you understand this exercise fully there. First thing we have to learn the formulas. Okay. So we have this 4 formulas, important 4 formulas there. Thank you.